Opening. 2 female SWAT members are entering an abandoned house. After breaking into the house, one female SWAT sees a robber and immediately charges and shoots him dead.
Damn it!
Go,
3
go.
robbers upstairs hear the gunshot and run out. One robber runs down to attack the SWAT member, but is
You
shot
guys,
dead
follow
by
me.
her.
Yes, sir.
After eliminating the robbers, the 2 female SWAT members move upstairs. One of the SWAT members peeks inside
who is
without
it?
knowing a
This
robber
way.
is hiding behind the wall, and then they leave. While searching for the robbers, one of them charges out to attack the SWAT member, but is shot dead.
Let's go.
After killing the robber, the 2 female SWAT members move upstairs, still unaware that another robber is downstairs. After the SWAT members leave, the robber downstairs takes out his phone and calls his accomplices. 3 robbers are talking to each other when they receive the call.
Hello.
Hey, boss, we are under attack. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Hey,
After the call, the 3 robbers run away.
hey you. Follow me. Come on.
Yes, sir.
The 2 female SWAT members reach the 3rd floor and spot a robber. One of them charges to attack the robber. During the intense shooting outside, the 2 robbers inside seem startled by the gunfire and come out. After taking down 1 robber, 2 more run out but are shot dead by the SWAT members. After the 2 enemies are dead, the 2 female SWAT members move
Hey,
in,
the best.
grab a backpack,
Let's
and
go.
leave.
Go.
As they head downstairs, a robber follows them. When the SWAT members reach downstairs, 3 robbers return and attack them. One SWAT member instructs the other to take the backpack and leave.
Bruce, come back.
A fierce gunfight ensues. One robber points a gun at the head of a SWAT member,
Stop.
while the other 3
Hey,
capture her.
I got it. Come on.
Okay. Hey, what do you want? Huh? Come on. Go. Sit down.
The SWAT member with the backpack escapes. The robber gives money to the captured SWAT member,
Come here.
who then calls the other SWAT member carrying the backpack. The SWAT member with the backpack receives a phone
Hello.
call and
Bien,
answers it.
c'est cassé.
Good, good.
After the call, the SWAT member swaps the contents of the backpack with the bomb. After switching the items, the SWAT member heads to the robber's base.
Come on.
Idiotsuke.
Hey, nào một cái phải.
Get in here. Come on. Hold up.
Oh.
You right. Let's go. Go.
You.
The SWAT member arrives at the base and hands over the backpack to the robber, who is
Goodbye.
unaware that it contains a bomb instead of what they wanted the robbers leave. The SWAT member rescues her friend, and they leave together.
Ghost, why did you do that? Don't worry.
The robbers go to another location and open the backpack, causing the bomb to explode and killing them.
Fight.
One of the two female SWAT members is sad because they didn't retrieve the backpack.
Hey,
The other SWAT member then pulls her aside and retrieves the item from the bushes
see.
that she had hidden earlier.